Welcome to our channel. Today we how to connect GitHub Actions to UI tests with Playwright detailed guide step by step clearly. To connect GitHub Actions to UI tests with Playwright, start by ensuring your repository is hosted on GitHub and contains your Playwright tests. Create a new workflow file in the .github/workflows directory of your repository. Name the file something descriptive, like playwrightUItests.yml. Open the workflow file and add the name for the workflow, such as Playwright UI tests. Define the on trigger for your workflow. This can be set to run on push or pull _request. Next, specify the jobs section to define the tasks that will run in your GitHub Actions workflow. Start by naming your job, for instance, test. Set the job to run on the latest version of Ubuntu using runs on Ubuntu latest. Within the job, define the steps that need to be executed. The first step should check out your repository's code with that actions/checkout action. Next, set up node.js using that actions/setupNode action. Specify the node.js version you want to use for your tests, typically the LTS version. Add a step to install your project dependencies by running npm install. After the dependencies are installed, set up your Playwright browsers. Run the command npx playwright install to install the necessary browsers for testing. Now, add a step to run your Playwright tests using the command npx playwright test. If you need to specify environment variables for your tests, you can do so at this point. Make sure to save your changes to the workflow file. Push the changes to your GitHub repository. Navigate to the Actions tab of your repository on GitHub to see your new workflow in action. Observe the workflow runs as they execute and verify that the Playwright tests are running successfully. If there are any failed tests, review the logs to debug the issues. Once you have confirmed everything is working, your GitHub Actions are now successfully connected to your Playwright UI tests. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.